In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. When do we fall into disempowering state of mind? When we are encountered with a problem but don't have a solution in sight. We do have a problem, but we are unable to get a solution of it. We don't have a hope, we don't have a confidence that I shall be able to find a solution and shall be able to solve the problem. That is the time when we do feel disempowered. That is the time we do fall into a disempowering state of mind. We must do everything else we can to avoid being in this sort of situation because this is real helplessness, this is real weaknesses, this is real troublesome and bad. Now, to the surprise of the many, to the surprise of the many, we do have a solution of several problems of ours. We do have a solution already existing into our mind regarding the problems we are facing, regarding the advancement we want to make. But due to negative thinking, I repeat my words. These solutions, which are there in the form of the ideas and already exist in the mind, but do not surface, do not come in front of us. We either did conceive an idea like that or we heard it from someone else. But again, it is the negative thinking due to which we either forgot it because we were unwilling to apply. Why were we unwilling to apply it? Maybe because it needed some sort of effort, some sort of hard work, some sort of struggle, which we don't want to do. Or there is other certain other thing like like the ego problem that if I do this, what the people will say, what he will say, what she will say. As a matter of fact, we do have already in our mind the solutions of many problems, the solutions of several problems. These solutions are there in the form of the ideas. Ideas actually are the keys of the locked doors. Ideas are the keys of the locked doors. So, the solution of many of our problems does lie already in our mind but do not surface. Why do not surface? Because again we are a negative thinker, and a negative thinker actually is the real resourceless person. The negative thinker is a person who is really resourceless because the biggest resource is our mind. What is meant by the mind? Mind mean ideas. Mind mean ideas. Mind mean the solutions. Mind mean the solutions of our problems. Mind mean the way we want to make the advancement. the direction we want to make the advancement, it provides us the ladder, it provides us the ideas does become the ladder, the ideas does become the keys of the locked doors. Now, suppose that there is a problem which I am facing now, there is a problem which you are facing now, and we don't have an idea which is very much relevant and which does exist in our mind, the idea which could become the key, the idea which could become the ladder. Then, what we need to do is we can think and we can conceive certain ideas, and also we can discuss it with the people, we can discuss it with the people. Discussing it with the people, it is quite a blessing, it is quite a useful thing. How is it so useful? Why is it so useful? Because we are actually availing, we are utilizing, and we are benefiting from the minds of the other people. We are given with one mind, but obviously if we do speak to the three people, if at all we do speak to the four people, we are utilizing their mind as well, and utilizing their mind, obviously it is something great actually, it is something great. Even one mind, we have been given with mind, one mind, and this one mind is managing our life. This one mind is doing a lot for us, and now if at all we are in a position to avail several minds, definitely it means a lot, and it means that we have become very much resourceful, that now the solution of the idea will inshallah surface now or then. So all of that, both of these are actually something very useful, very beneficial, very useful, very beneficial. But what I do have to say repeatedly, why aren't we doing it? Why aren't many of the people not doing it? Because of the one reason, and the one reason is the negative thinking. And the negative thinking, what is the negative thinking here? The negative thinking here mean that there is no solution of my problem, there is no solution of it. Why? Because there is no solution, because I am not a resourceful person, because since I am not a very resourceful person, since the people don't respect me, since the people don't obey me, since the people don't help me, since I don't have much of the money on my hands, since I am not very educated, since the people who are opposing it are very powerful as compared to me. So there are countless ways of negative thinking, but this negative thinking actually does not allow us to rely upon the ideas. I think we need to rely upon the ideas. We need to be very much receptive towards the ideas. We need to be very much receptive towards the ideas. We need to we need to rely upon the we need to understand, actually we need to understand that the solution of our problem will be given to us, gifted to us, in the form of an idea which could become a key of to open the locked doors, an idea which could become a ladder, which could become the stairs, which could become the levers. We will be having a leverage. That is so. That is so. This is great. Let's be very much positive towards the ideas, towards the solutions. Let's be very much receptive towards the ideas. If at all we do have, if at all we are very positive on the one hand, very receptive on the other hand, and then very positive and very receptive, and then we are ready to put it into practice. Obviously putting it into practice will demand some sort of effort, will demand some sort of struggle, and we do have to make this struggle, we do have to make this struggle. So if at all we are ready for making the struggle, then be very positive toward the ideas, be very receptive toward the ideas. And there is very interesting factor about the ideas. If one idea does not work, if one idea has not succeeded in solving your problem, has failed to open the closed door, the locked door for you, let me tell you that one idea has the potential and has the potential to generate several other ideas. Some of the people, they are always found passing negative remarks towards the ideas. This idea will not work. This idea will not work. This is not nothing but mere a negative thinking. This idea, this attitude is nothing but mere negative attitude. We must avoid it. We must avoid it actually. We should be very receptive. We should be very much cautious, conscious of ideas. We need to become idea conscious person. We need to become an idea receptive person. We need to become a very idea confident person. I shall be able to conceive the ideas, inshallah. I shall be able to get the ideas from the minds of the other people as well as, inshallah. I shall be able to I shall be able to you generate new ideas. I shall be able to generate new and even more better ideas from the ideas which I already carry, from the ideas which I am receiving from the people, from the ideas which I am trying to put into practice, which I am trying to apply. So be a very much a lover of ideas. Be a be an idea collector person. Be an idea receptive person. Thank you. Jazakallah.